Benzoyl peroxide is a very useful product in the treatment of mild to moderate acne, and what's great about it is you can actually find it over the counter at your local pharmacy, meaning you don't need a prescription for it. Because it has a peeling action on your skin, it can be useful for removing blackheads and whiteheads, and its antibacterial action means it's also quite useful for more inflammatory acne, so these would be things like papules and pustules. However, if your acne is of the more moderate to severe type, so it's widespread across your face or you have acne cysts, then it's not going to be effective, and I'd recommend you seeing your physician or dermatologist in that case. Now, when you first start using benzoyl peroxide, it may cause some irritation and dryness on your skin. So what you'll want to do is visit your pharmacy and locate the lower 2.5% strength to start on. And then once your skin is able to tolerate that, you can continue on the higher, more effective 5% strength. So what you'll want to do first is, before you go to bed, wash your face with a cleanser that is non-greasy, non-comedogenic, meaning it's not going to clog pores, and also one that is hypoallergenic, meaning it's more gentle and non-irritating on the skin. And you can usually find this information on the front or back of the facial cleanser bottle. After you finish cleansing, pat dry your face gently, and once it's completely dry, that's when you'll start applying and rubbing in the benzoyl peroxide gel or cream to the affected areas. Now, you're going to be leaving that on for the night while you sleep. Just note that it may have a bleaching effect on your pillowcase. And then, when you wake up in the morning, wash off your face with your cleanser. I also recommend applying sunscreen during the day, since benzoyl peroxide can make your skin more sensitive to the sun and cause redness and sunburns. As with all acne therapies, you'll have to be patient before you start seeing results, which can take several weeks. If you don't see results or your acne starts to get worse, you should see your physician or dermatologist. So that about wraps up benzoyl peroxide. If you guys have any further questions about it, you may ask me below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.